Hello, dear ICT for ELT students. My name is Carolina Rodriguez Buitrago, and I will be your professor this class. I am really excited to be working with you this semester. So let me tell you a little bit about me. Even though you can still read a little bit about me in the profile section on Canvas. I am a teacher and a teacher educator. I graduated at Universidad Pedagógica Nacional as a licenciada en Educación Básica con énfasis en español e inglés back in 2004. Then in 2012, I earned a master's degree in educational technology and TESOL at the University of Manchester. I also did all the courses and certificates for the Masters in Positive Education at Universidad Tec Milenio. That was in 2020 with the pandemic. And also, I have worked as a teacher educator for over 10 years and as an English teacher for more than 20. I recently published a book with a colleague. I'm really excited. I'm going to introduce you to one of my babies. This is the In-Class Flip, a student-centered approach to differentiated learning. I'm really excited. And well, I've been a teacher and teacher educator all my life, and I love my job. I also want to tell you that I am a mother. I am the mother of two gorgeous children, and I've been married for 16 years. And well, what else can I tell you about me? I love research, academic writing, and publishing. However, I haven't published that much academic papers. It's weird. I have my profile on Google Scholar. You guys can go ahead and check it out. And well, I'm really excited to be sharing this experience with you. Why am I your professor? Well, because I love teaching, because I love technology, and because I have had the honor of walking through this path of technological integration in the classroom with teachers for a long time. I hope that we can all learn together and share a lot of information. So now, tell me about you. Why don't you create your own video and why don't you create your own profile on Canvas in the Personas section so that we can get to meet you? Okay, can't wait to meet you in person. Wow, virtually. All right, bye bye everyone. Nice to meet you.